As a producer creator type, there is a specific way you should be approaching making your videos to make sure you actually produce the video. And if you're using Ecamm, the way you can do that is by preloading the polish, the pizzazz, the sparkle into the scenes so your videos have that in it while you're recording. And when you're done, it's basically done editing. And then you're like, most of the way there, and then you have no excuses. Now, if you do not know your creator type, make sure you head to the quiz, find out your type, and then come on back. As a producer, the way that I like to use Ecamm is to build in fun things to the scenes that I don't have to add later on. That could be through some graphics, that could be through some music, some audio cues, some overlays, some text, some images, all sorts of things that you can do. The key is to think out what it is you want and then build that in. I like to start with something simple where you can see me talking and then head to adding images, B-roll, clips, cats, always cats, and making sure I share exactly what I want to share while I'm recording instead of having to build that in later. You can do things like sharing your screen, bringing in guests, switching between cameras, so many things that you can do while you're recording, because your success as a producer comes from treating Ecamm as if you're in a live editing suite. And when you wrap your head around that, I'm telling you, it's going to change everything for you, because that way, when you finish recording, your video is done. Or basically done, because if I know you, you're going to want to do a little bit to it. But remember, as a producer, your job is to produce, is to get to the finish line and actually get that video out there. And using Ecamm in this way is going to help make that happen. And if you're a producer, let us know in the comments, how are you using Ecamm to your advantage? I know it's my secret weapon, and it totally can be yours too.